Now we are given x squared times x on 8 minus 8 equals to 0. Alright, so let's start by multiplying both sides by the LCM, okay? Or we should multiply 2 by the LCM. So we have 8 as the LCM times x squared times x on 8 minus 8 times 8 equals to 0 times 8. So this side will cancel. I will have with x squared times x minus 8 64 equal to 0. Okay. All right. Now, x squared times x, the power here is 1. So the bases are equal. So we have x. Let's add the powers. Cube minus 64 equals to 0. All right. So x cube minus 64 equal to 0. Now, when you are given a cube minus b cube is the same as a minus b x squared plus ab plus b squared. So we call this one difference of cubes. Okay. All right. So let's focus on this. We need to change this one. Okay. We know 64. When you multiply 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4. So 6 4 is 1. So we have 64. It means that 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So I can say x cube minus 4 to the power 3 equals to 0. So let's perform the same action here. So a is x, b is 4. So we have x minus 4. So x squared plus 4x plus the square of 4, 16. Okay. Equals to 0. All right. So the x minus 4 times that equal to 0. When we are given x times x plus y equal to 0, we say x equal to 0 or x plus y equals to 0. So with this, x minus 4 equal to 0 or x squared plus 4x plus 16 equal to 0. Remember, the power here is 3, and therefore we should have 3 solutions. Okay. All right. So we have the first solution as x equals to 4. So let's see if we can find the other 2 solutions from x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 equal to 0. Okay, so let's use the almighty formula. Now, if I compare this one with the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when you compare, a is 1, b is 4, and c is 16. Okay. All right, so we have minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have x. Now remember, minus b is 4. So we have minus 4 plus or minus b still 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 16 on 2 times 1. So this side will be, so minus 4 plus or minus 4 squared 16 minus 4 times, so 16 times 4, 4, 2, 4, and 4, we have 64 minus 64 on 2. So minus 4 plus or minus, so we have, so 16 minus 64, so that would be negative 8. So we have 48. So this side will be minus 48 on 2. So let's see if we can reduce them. X equals to minus 4 plus or minus 48. Alright, so we know from complex numbers, square root of -1 is same as I. So let's bring the negative out. So this side is same as minus 4 plus or minus square root of 48 times square root of -1, 2. So we can say x equals minus 4 plus or minus 48 I on 2. Okay. So this one is the same as minus 4 plus, so let me write the first answer, 48I on 2, or minus 4 minus square root of 48I on 2. Alright, so we know 48 can be written as a perfect square times set. So 16 times, so 48, 16 times 3, we have 4 with 3. So the final answer here will be x equals minus 4 plus 4 with 3 I on 2, which is minus 2 plus 2 with 3I. And the other one will be x equals to minus 2 minus 2 with 3I. And the third one is x equals to, let's confirm, x equals 4. X equals to 4. Okay, so we have two complex solutions here, and the only real solution is x equals to 4. So let's verify from the question. Okay, so we have x equals to 4. So let's plug in 4 and see. So this side will be 4 squared times 4 on 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So 2 here, okay, 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. Okay, so 4 squared is 16. So we have 16 on 2 minus 8 equal to 0. 2 here, 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. That is 16. Hence proved. Alright, so thanks for watching.